time. Apple, banana, stick bread with sesame seeds. Look. This is very delicious. With a cup of coffee. Let's eat. So cute, banana. Mm. Mm. Ang tamis. Very sweet, banana. Kain muna tayo. Pagkatapos ng kain, work na naman. Buhay abroad. Sipag at tiyaga. May nilaga. Okay. Food is life. Yummy snacks. Please follow to my FB page, Marilyn Ramos, and also please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Marilyn Ramos. Love you all.